Welcome to part 2 of the parts restore. On the last one, we restored a bunch of parts. We changed the control arms, the drive shaft, and all the bunch of stuff that you guys saw. So, of the parts that we restored, as you can see on the video playing, the long drive shaft, which is from the passenger side, the boot is leaking. And yeah, as you guys will see later on, a critical part broke. Luckily I had just gotten home, but yeah, I almost got stranded on that one. But yeah, this is the first issue, as you guys can see. So yeah, fun times. Okay, so it's the holidays. I thought I would get some rest, but last night I discovered this. So I fixed the bolt issue that fell on the other side because the car was grinding. Yeah, I think I have a video of it. I will just play it a bit up here for you guys. But after fixing that and then I started reversing, I discovered this. I will turn, but the car will just feel like it's clamping something. When I took off both tires, I see this. So now I'm in a situation where I have to replace this because this is going for repairs tomorrow on Monday. So this will be my only car. As you can imagine, that's not good. But I need to change this inner tie rod. So a problem that I am having now is, if you look at this, right, I'm just going to put it back together for a little bit. It's angled, like it's angled like that. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that. I don't think so, because the replacement rods that I bought, where is it? It's straight, just like this. And when I check on the parts website for Nissan, where they have like the diagrams of the car, it's straight as well. But also the one on this side is bent about the same angle. And if you check there, it kind of aligns with the car, right? So that kind of has me worried. But because it's broken, I was thinking of welding it. But as far as I can see online, it's supposed to be straight. So yeah, anyways, what I'm gonna do now is to remove the boot and see how it looks like inside. To remove the boot, it's actually a bit simple. You have this clip here, which you can unclip with this. It's what's the thing? That thing with a cross, and then you just open it up, and then from there you have, I'm not sure if it's gonna be visible. Let's zoom in. You have a sort of, come on, get a different angle. I'm just trying to squeeze there. You have this clip that you just use like a flathead screwdriver to unclip. It's a one-use clip, and all the shops are closed today because of holiday, but I'm gonna use a zip tie. Most people are using zip ties online, but yeah, after that you can just pull the boot out. I have to reuse it because I don't have another one. So yeah, let me deal with that now. Just got home. As you can see, this thing is full of oil. I think it's been used before, so yeah, I'm going to be returning this. Yesterday this happened. The tie rod broke. One thing I didn't know is, if you check here, it's actually bent. Same goes for the other side. So I thought it was by design. I bought new ones and they came like this. Anyways, so I'm doing that replacement, and I discovered this tool. If you check, it's 1 and then 2. So I'm using this, which I bought from Adenov to whatever it's called, but to kind of remove that. And funny enough, it works. So we can install our new one now. But yeah, we keep moving, boys. We keep moving. All right, another day, another fix. So yesterday I posted that this was broken. So check this out. This is how this thing was on the car. This is how it should be. This is the new one, this is the old one. So yeah, this thing was bent over here and then it snapped. Anyways, I already have that one featured, so I'm just gonna feed the end link, which I put somewhere there. You need a special tool for this. It's called a tie rod / track rod removal and installer tool. But yeah, let's fit a new one. So this one is gonna go to the other side. But yeah, such is life. Alright, cool. So as you can see, I successfully changed the inner tie rod and the outer tie rod. I just haven't yet plugged it in so I can get the tires to be straight, but after that go for wheel alignment. But yeah, let's fit the other one and I'll show you guys how to do that. It's actually very simple, provided you have the right tools. So I've changed the other side, the inner tie rod and the outer one. So what you're gonna need to do the job is these tools. Really? No, I'm kidding, there's more. So you need this to unhook this clamp over there. Then you will need the flathead screwdriver to undo the one-time use only clamp that is actually behind this. I'm gonna have to actually remove the sway bar for this car, for this side. The other side I didn't need to remove that. You will need a size 16 for your outer control, your outer tie rod I mean, and you are gonna need your new inner and your new outer. But the most important one that you're gonna need is this thing. So this is a tie rod installer and removal tool. Reason being, when you remove this boot, you're gonna be presented with something like this, which it does have like clips here for you to remove, right? But as you can see, it's all the way in there. You can't fit a socket or a ratchet in there. So what you're gonna need is this guy. So the way this guy works is it goes through. Okay, let me just. The way it works is, if you check here, you're gonna remove like your outer one, and you'll be left with this part here, which essentially will be this part. So you then take this through your inner part like so, move. Then it's gonna get to a part where it's like this, right? So you're just gonna push it a little bit until it hooks, and then from there, if you check, there we go. It's now like the teeth have now grounded to this thing, and then you can just get the longer one, which would be like this guy here. Put it through, and then it clamps like that. Now you pretty much have like swallowed your tie rod, and then you can just put a half wrench this side and then just unscrew it. It's that simple. So yeah, that's what you're gonna need, and you will need them, like, yeah. So now the is off, and off. We can just go start things out. Cool. And then it's not lining. Then we want to fit this here, also like inside. So when you have something, so you can just stick here. This goes, of course. So this goes like one. But yeah, this is what I use for this example. Anyways, where this goes in. So I have a this one, so I need this to tighten it down. Okay, so this is way to the one on the side. Yeah, I think this. So check this out. Just unscrew this. You don't want to be good. But it's already didn't come out, and I will cut off here a little bit. But yeah, this is going to come off. And we're replacing it with this one. Just going to here. That's it. In case you change I actually forgot to record the rest of the parts. I think I stopped at the part where I was showing you guys how to fit the boot. Yeah. Anyways, okay. Anyways, you fit the boot. Well, the rest is obvious, right? I mean, once you fit the boot, you're gonna have this. I'm using, if you notice, I'm using the old tie rod end. Reason being, if you look at this, this is suitable for Micra K13. This is a Micra K14. And because it's a Micra K14, it's bigger, I mean in width, compared to the tiny round Micra. So I'm trying to find, let me pause. Okay, so if you check this out, make sure you're a bit fair, I didn't record that, but if you check the width, it's such a big, like I'm showing here, it's a very big difference. So this thing was sitting on the edge for it to, so what I did is that I put the steering wheel straight, and then I'm just tying this as straight as I can. I'm going to go for wheel alignment right now, but it was barely able to actually screw on the inner rod, so I had to use the old ones. But anyways, the old ones themselves, the outer ones, the ends were not damaged. This one is out of grease, and I just noticed I don't have a grease gun, so tomorrow I think master parts will open. I'm gonna go get the ones for the Micra. But yeah, so with this side, which I haven't done, is I'm not gonna be using these bolts. I'm gonna be using the old ones. They are much I don't know, they're just much better designed for this. So yeah, anyways, that's the situation. Oh, I can actually show you guys what I meant.